The Mink 20 trailer, also called Mink 2.0, is a smart, compact mobile home designed for travelers who want comfort and convenience even in the most remote places. Built by the Icelandic company Mink Campers, this trailer combines sleek, modern design with practical functionality. Its aerodynamic shape and large windows, along with a transparent roof, allow you to enjoy beautiful natural views and starlit skies from inside, making every stop feel special. The rear section flips open to reveal clever hidden storage compartments and a mobile kitchen, perfect for preparing meals on the go. Inside, it comfortably fits two adults and a child, providing a cozy and efficient living space without feeling cramped. Lightweight yet durable, the Mink 20 is easy to tow and maneuver, ideal for off-grid adventures, weekend trips, or longer journeys. The interior design is thoughtful and practical with smart storage solutions and a layout that maximizes comfort. Whether camping in the wilderness, exploring scenic landscapes, or traveling through rugged terrain, the Mink 20 trailer keeps you close to nature while offering all the conveniences of a small home. It's the perfect companion for adventurous families or couples who want a cozy, stylish, and functional home on wheels for every journey. Morello Palace is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome designed for travelers who want to enjoy comfort, style, and convenience on every journey. Its striking exterior immediately catches the eye, but the real magic is inside, where space, design, and functionality come together beautifully. The interior features a spacious lounge with plush, comfortable seating, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The fully equipped kitchen has premium appliances, making it easy to prepare meals while on the road. And the luxurious bathroom ensures you have all the comforts of home wherever you travel. The bedroom offers a large, cozy bed and plenty of storage, creating a restful retreat after a day of adventure. Every detail, from the lighting and furnishings to the high-quality materials, is designed to create a feeling of elegance and sophistication. Advanced driver assist technology and climate control make driving and living in the Morello Palace effortless and safe. New Pebble Flow all-electric hassle-free RV 2024. The Pebble Flow is a revolutionary all-electric travel trailer designed to make RVing effortless, sustainable, and fun. Created by Pebble, a California startup founded by former Apple engineer Bing-Rui Yang, this innovative RV combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and eco-friendly features for the ultimate travel experience. One of its standout features is the active propulsion assist system, which helps move and align the trailer, reducing strain on your tow vehicle, while the Magic Hitch allows it to attach automatically. No more manual hitching hassles. Powered by a 45 kilowatt hour battery and a 1.1 kilowatt rooftop solar panel, the Pebble Flow can operate off-grid for up to 7 days, supporting multiple charging options, including solar, AC/DC, and regenerative charging while towing. The Instacamp feature automates setup, deploying stabilizers, stairs, awning, lights, and climate control at the touch of a button. Inside, the minimalist Scandinavian-style interior features panoramic windows, convertible furniture, a queen-size Murphy bed, and a smart glass bathroom for privacy. Lightweight yet spacious, it measures 25 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, and 8.8 feet high, making it easy to tow and maneuver. With modern technology, comfort, and sustainability combined, the Pebble Flow is perfect for travelers who want freedom, luxury, and hassle-free adventures on the road. The Pinnacle Finesse is a remarkable motorhome that perfectly combines toughness, luxury, and smart design, making it ideal for travelers who want adventure without giving up comfort. Built by Pinnacle Specialty Vehicles, an innovative Indian company, the Finesse has a rugged exterior that can handle any terrain, giving you the confidence to explore roads and off-road trails alike. But inside, the experience is completely different. The cabin is sleek, elegant, and reminiscent of a luxury private jet. Comfortable seating, high-quality finishes, and clever layouts make it a relaxing space to unwind after a day of travel. One of the most impressive features is its expandable interior, which you can adjust at the touch of a button or through a smartphone app. This expansion creates extra space for dining, socializing, or simply stretching out, making every journey more enjoyable. The Pleasureway Entour 2.2 is a sleek and stylish Class B camper van made for travelers who love both comfort and adventure. Built on the dependable Ford Transit chassis, it's easy to drive through busy city streets while still offering a spacious and cozy living area on the inside. The design makes smart use of every corner, featuring a sofa that quickly transforms into a comfortable bed, elegant cabinets, and modern finishes that give it a premium feel. The kitchen is fully equipped with a sink, stove, fridge, and microwave, so you can cook your favorite meals no matter where the road takes you. There's also a compact bathroom with a toilet and shower, giving you the freedom to travel without relying on campsites. Advanced technology like touchscreen controls, efficient LED lighting, and climate control keep everything simple and comfortable. With plenty of storage space for your essentials and gear, the Entour 2.2 is perfect for weekend trips, cross-country adventures, or even full-time van life. The Pod X Go Grande S1 is an advanced electric scooter designed for comfort, speed, and portability. Unlike regular scooters, this model focuses on giving riders a smooth and powerful experience while still being compact enough to carry around. It comes with a sturdy build and modern design that makes it perfect for both city commutes and casual rides. The Grand S1 is equipped with a high-capacity battery that delivers long riding ranges on a single charge, so you can travel farther without worrying about running out of power. Its motor provides strong acceleration and can easily handle slopes, making it reliable for different terrains. Safety is also a top priority, featuring responsive braking, shock absorption, and wide tires for better grip and balance. One of its best features is its foldable design, allowing you to quickly pack it up and take it on public transport or store it in small spaces. The scooter also includes a smart display that shows speed, battery life, and ride mode, giving you full control during your journey. Stylish, efficient, and easy to use, the Pod X Go Grand S1 is a great choice for anyone looking for a modern and eco-friendly way to move around. The Protect Q18 is a clever and versatile motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, flexibility, and convenience on every journey. Its standout feature is the expandable fiberglass cabin, which can stretch at the push of a button, giving you up to 55% more living space. This means you can enjoy 12.2 meters of room instead of just 7.9 meters, allowing the motorhome to adapt perfectly to your needs. Whether you're on a short stop or a long adventure, the Protect Q18 gives you the freedom to choose how much space you want. Inside, it's equipped with all the essentials for a comfortable camping experience, including central hot water heating, a freshwater tank, and an electricity hookup. The interior is thoughtfully designed to make everyday life easier, with smart storage and a practical layout that maximizes comfort. Lightweight yet durable, this motorhome handles city streets, highways, and remote trails with ease. Scout Stop Stay Camper. The Scout Stop Stay Camper is the perfect companion for anyone who wants to enjoy the outdoors without sacrificing comfort. Designed for convenience and ease, it can be set up or packed away in just minutes, making it ideal for both quick trips and longer adventures. Its roomy interior comfortably sleeps 4 people, giving families or groups plenty of space to relax and sleep peacefully. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a beautiful and spacious tiny home on wheels that feels more like a full-sized house than a compact cabin. Built with inspiration from Montana's rustic style, it combines wood and metal finishes on the outside, giving it a strong yet elegant look. Inside, the design is warm and inviting, with shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and a cozy ceiling that make it feel like a modern farmhouse. The kitchen is one of its highlights. It has granite countertops, a hammered copper sink, a 4-burner cooktop, oven, dishwasher, and even a full-size fridge, making cooking just as convenient as in a regular home. The living room has high ceilings and large windows that let in plenty of natural light, and there's space for a dining nook or breakfast bar too. A big advantage of this model is the ground floor master bedroom, which has full standing height, room for a king-size bed, and built-in storage. There's also a loft above for guests or kids. The bathroom includes a full shower, sink, toilet, and washer-dryer combo. At around 399 square feet, the Big Sky gives you comfort, style, and functionality, all packed into a home you can move when needed. The Track T4 is a compact and clever camper trailer designed for adventurers who want comfort and convenience while exploring the outdoors. Built with a strong and lightweight frame, it's easy to tow with most vehicles, making it perfect for road trips or off-road adventures. Its sleek, aerodynamic design reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency, and high-quality materials ensure durability in all conditions. Inside, the T4 maximizes every inch of space with a smart layout that includes a cozy sleeping area, storage compartments, and a small kitchenette, giving you everything you need for self-sufficient travel. Large windows and roof vents let in natural light and fresh air, creating a bright, airy interior that feels larger than it really is. Setting up camp is quick and simple, so you can spend more time enjoying nature instead of struggling with complicated setups. The Track T4 is ideal for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want the freedom to explore without giving up essential comforts. Travel Bike Camper. The Travel Bike Camper is a small but clever mobile home designed for travelers who want freedom, comfort, and adventure. Created by Maxine Dirk, this camper lets him and his wife explore Europe without worrying about hotels or heavy luggage. Its cozy cabin, with timber walls and charming porthole windows, combines a modern look with a touch of classic style. Though compact, just 2 meters long, 76 centimeters wide, and 1.37 meters high, the interior is smartly designed so you can lie down comfortably. And if it ever feels cramped, the camper's side opens to bring in fresh air and a sense of openness. Weighing only 30 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to tow with a bike, yet it still offers handy storage space for essentials. The Travel Bike Camper also includes practical features like lighting, heating, ventilation, and power outlets, making it feel like a tiny home on wheels. The Termobile Caravan is a unique and stylish mobile home that combines comfort, practicality, and modern design, making it perfect for travelers who want both convenience and adventure. Unlike traditional caravans, the Termobile stands out with its sleek build, spacious interior, and smart use of space. Inside, you'll find a well-organized living area with cozy seating, a functional kitchen, and a comfortable sleeping space that feels just like home. It's designed to give you everything you need while on the road without feeling cramped. The clever layout makes it easy to cook, relax, or sleep comfortably, no matter where you're parked. Another highlight of the Termobile Caravan is its durability and mobility. Built with high-quality materials, it can handle long journeys and different road conditions with ease. Its modern features and user-friendly design also make setup and travel hassle-free, even for first-time caravan users. Turtle Tiny Trailer. The Turtle Tiny Trailer is a clever and compact companion that transforms your e-bike adventures into comfortable, hassle-free camping trips. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want freedom without heavy equipment, this tiny trailer is easy to tow, attach, and detach, making every ride smoother and more enjoyable. In just minutes, it converts into a cozy tent that can comfortably sleep 2 people, letting you rest in style wherever your journey takes you. Despite its small size, the trailer offers a generous 120-liter storage capacity for all your essentials, keeping your gear organized and accessible. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for short rides across town, weekend escapes, or long cross-country adventures. The Turtle Tiny Trailer gives you the freedom to explore nature without worrying about complicated setups, heavy luggage, or bulky camping gear. It's designed to move with you effortlessly while keeping your ride light and fun. The Vito Vario Alcavin 950 is a luxurious motorhome that feels like a mobile mansion, perfect for travelers who want comfort, space, and style on the road. Its spacious living area features a slide-out bay, giving you extra room to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the journey. The cozy alcove bedroom comes with a king-sized bed, offering a comfortable retreat after a day of travel. One of the most impressive features is its built-in car garage, which can hold a motorcycle, quad bike, or roadster, making it ideal for adventure seekers who want to bring extra vehicles along. The full-width bathroom adds a touch of elegance with spa-like amenities that make it feel like a home away from home. Designed for families or groups, the Vario Alcovin 950 provides ample space for everyone and everything, from luggage to recreational gear. Whether you're exploring scenic countryside roads, visiting lively cities, or just relaxing in style, the Volvo Autonomous Electric Bus is a glimpse into the future of public transport, bringing together smart technology, clean energy, and comfort. This amazing bus can carry up to 150 passengers and drive itself without a human driver. Thanks to its advanced sensors and powerful AI system, it can safely navigate through traffic, handle different road situations, and make traveling easier and safer for everyone on board. Since it runs fully on electricity, it produces zero harmful emissions and creates less noise, making it a great choice for busy cities looking to cut pollution. The bus is also designed with an aerodynamic shape and a smart waste heat recovery system that improves energy use and helps it travel longer distances more efficiently. Step inside, and passengers will find a spacious, modern, and comfortable interior with transparent LCD screens that display views and useful travel information. The Volvo VNL is more than just a truck. It's a powerful, reliable, and comfortable partner built for life on the road. Designed to suit every type of haul, whether short or long, it offers multiple cab options, including day cabs, flat roof sleepers, and high roof sleepers, giving drivers the comfort and flexibility they need. With a range of engines, transmissions, and fuel efficiency packages, the VNL can be customized to fit every driver's preferences. Its sleek and aerodynamic design not only looks modern, but also improves fuel economy, while LED lighting adds to both safety and style. Inside, the spacious and ergonomic cab feels like a mobile office and a home away from home, providing comfort during long journeys.